The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dallas County and north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County and north central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lancaster, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Hutchins around 8:15 p.m., Wilmer around 8:25 p.m., Ferris around 8:35 p.m., Seagoville around 8:45 p.m. This will impact the following interstates. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 407 and 417. Interstate 20 between mile markers 455 and 475. Interstate 45 between mile markers 264 and 280. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.